trip as a husband and wife. We are heading out to Jasper. This was a very spontaneous trip. Maybe we'll stay, maybe we won't. Well, you'll just have to see on the video if we do. And let's go check out some lakes. So, always the first things to a Canadian road trip is a Timmy's. So we still have about 2-hour drive and we just stopped right now for a quick little break. It's so beautiful out. It is, right now it's only about 10 degrees, but beautiful, I mean, look how yellow the trees are. The sky is clear, the sun is out, and it's gonna be about 23 degrees out, which is amazing. Just a couple of hours in, this is our view right now. We're so close to the mountains. We are about half an hour or so to get to Jasper. So it looks like all of this was burnt on this side here, and then the lake looks pretty dry. And if you see on this side, it's very green, it's very luscious. Woo! We're currently at Malang Lake. There is a first parking here. It's mostly for buses and for lazy people. But also, if you keep going up, there's another set of parking. So it looks like they do boat tours here. Oh, this is beautiful. Do Lee Foundation Trail. We are currently right here, and then whoop, we're just gonna do this quick sound over there. So right now we're at Lake Edith. It is about 2 minutes away from Lake Annette and about 10 minutes away from Jasper. And if you can see behind me, there are some pretty cool houses. I guess people live here full-time or seasonal. But one cool thing about here is that there are some fireplaces. People can rent out some kayaks. That one is closed right now because it is fall, and I guess people didn't expect the weather to be this nice right now. So stay tuned, we are going to Jasper. So this is Pyramid Lake and Pyramid Island is right there. So we're just gonna go down and cross the bridge and go to this little island. So this is the island. We are currently right here and just gonna go there and just check it out. Since the 1930s, when the first footbridge was built. That's pretty cool.
20-minute walk.
So we're currently on the island, and behind us there is actually a wedding going on, and it's pretty cool. People can rent that out. I was actually checking that out too, and it's just a little space just for a wedding ceremony. And there is a little hut right here too if you guys want to come here for picnics. This is actually a really sweet little island. Let me show you guys. So this is one of the viewpoints of the island. You can come here, relax, watch this beautiful view. Good morning. Right now it's about 7 o'clock. So last night we decided to stay over just because we walked so much. Honestly, all the lakes, all the mountains that we've seen, all the little trails was so beautiful, and we just wanted to take the most out of it. And now we're just heading back home. It's a chilly morning right now, and it's supposed to be 24 degrees again today, so hopefully this weather cools down a little bit. As you can see, 7 o'clock, it's super dark still, so winter is coming, unfortunately. But let's have a safe drive home, and I will see you guys next time. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video and comment down below. Have you guys been to Jasper, and what else is there to do in Jasper? Give me something new. Give it to me. I'll take it all. See you.